Hi, my name is Business Manager, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about VitalFlow before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about VitalFlow is, be careful with the website you're going to buy VitalFlow from, because VitalFlow is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is VitalFlow, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, VitalFlow works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will. If you're having trouble urinating or have a weak flow, there are many prostate health supplements to consider. The subject of today's review is one such product. VitalFlow is an over-the-counter supplement that claims to be able to relieve the symptoms of an enlarged prostate and help maintain healthy prostate size. Additionally, the manufacturer claims that VitalFlow will help prevent prostate inflammation from occurring in the first place. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with VitalFlow, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know. Before buying it, you can actually test VitalFlow for 60-day money-back guarantee days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for VitalFlow to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, VitalFlow has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy VitalFlow from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that VitalFlow actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes.